Good morning, students. Today I will start a new chapter, chapter 4, water. About water, water is a natural resource and it is difficult to imagine our life without water. From morning when you get up, our our life starts with water, brushing, bathing, and cooking, washing clothes, washing dishes. For everything we need water. Do you know this water from where we get? So about this we will discuss today that water resources. Resources means from where we get water. Water resources. There are two main sources of water. First one is surface water, second one is underground water. Surface water is that which we see on the earth. Outside, we can see that water. Okay, and in this surface water, there are three main sources. First one is rainwater, second one is river and lake water, and third one is sea and ocean water. Rainwater, rainwater, when it is raining, you can see the rainwater. Okay, first shower of rain, it dissolved with dust particles and gases and chemicals. But after that, whatever shower we get, that is clean, purest water. That is the purest water which we can drink also, which we can collect and we can use as the distilled water. As distilled water we can use, that is rainwater. It is the purest water in the world, rainwater. Okay, but not first shower. Okay, this is in this dissolved dust particles and gases and chemicals all things. But after that, that is nice water. That is water fit for drinking. After that, secondary source is river and lake water. River and lake water from rainwater. Rainwater where it collects in river and lake. And of course, from the mountain, ice. When ice melts, the water goes to lake and river. Okay? River and lake water are that dissolved in this dust particles and sand and mud. Okay, so much uh, and whatever we say that is dissolved mud and clay that is unfit for drinking. So we have to just make it fit for drinking by boiling it or by chlorination or another purification. Okay. So that is mud. That is river and lake water. River and lake water we use it that for irrigation purpose. Farmers use it for irrigation purpose. Next one is sea and ocean water. Sea and ocean water ultimately river and lake water where it goes? It goes to last destination is sea and ocean. The sea and ocean, river and lake water and other water also, rainwater also that collect in sea and ocean. For sea and ocean water, I want to tell that is saline water because in this salt is dissolved. Okay, that is why it is called saline water. And the concentration of water is called salinity of water. Different seas having different salinity. And this is unfit for drinking. We can't drink because of salt. Okay, 3.5%, approximately 3.5% salt dissolved in sea and ocean water. Okay, and it is not used. We cannot use it for irrigation purpose. Irrigation purpose we cannot use. And for domestic purpose, if we have to use, we have to just desalinate it. We have to desalinate it. So these are the three main resources of water or from surface water. Now the second resource is underground water. Underground water, what we call underground water. For this one, I want to show by figure. I'm erasing this one. That during the rain, some rainwater percolates into the swell. Okay, percolate into the soil, just like foam. Foam soak water, some water. Soil also soaks some water. Some water go to lake and river, but some waters soaked by soil. Okay, that is, it passes through several layers. It is given in your book. It passes through several layers of soil till it reaches hard rock, beyond which it cannot go further. These hard rock are called impervious rock. About that I want to tell. Suppose this one, this layer, you can see, suppose these are the layer of soil. So many layers of soil. And after that here, this one, this portion, hard rock is there, which we call impervious rock, which we call impervious rock. This is impervious rock. And this one is the hard rock, that is started. The hard rock started from here, so that water collected inside the earth. This is the place where underground water collected. This is underground water. Hope you understand. This one is impervious rock. After this, water cannot go inside. These are the layers of soil. Okay, this is impervious rock, and this table is called water table, on which water collected. That is water table. It is given. So this is called underground water. And as the underground water passes through several layers of soil, several layers, so many layers of soil, and so it gets filtered and is almost free from suspended impurities. However, it contains dissolved salt of calcium and magnesium. It is this water, calcium and magnesium dissolved, which is good for us. Okay, so this underground water we can get through well, that is well water. Small here, sorry for that. Well water, we can get it through well water or spring water. What is well water? Well water is reservoir of water. If we just dig these well here, okay, we can get this one. We can say a well. Okay, this one we can say well, and we can get water here. We can get underground water from here. Okay. So, reservoir of water that are found above the impervious rock are called wells. Okay. The depth of well varies from place to place. Well water contains dissolved impurity. Tube well. Tube wells are wells that are sunk deep into the earth. Okay. Tube wells we use for irrigation. You can see in villages, tube wells are there by which farmers they get water for irrigation purpose from tube well. And beside that, hand pumps are also there. Hand pumps. From hand pump also we can get what? Underground water. Clear? Now, second one is spring water. Second one is spring water. What is spring water? At certain places, the underground water exerts pressure and comes out through cracks of earth. Too much pressure when underground water, when they get too much pressure, they just crack the earth and get outside like this. Just like fountain. Okay? So that is called spring water. Okay, that is called spring water, and this spring water is mineral spring. That is mineral water. You know why? Because in this so many rich minerals, sodium, just like sodium, sodium, potassium, and calcium, silicate, chlorides, bicarbonate, sulfate, so many minerals you can get in this spring water. That is why it is very, very, very good for our health. Spring water. One place it is Agnikund in Bakreshwar in Kolkata in West Bengal. You can see this type of spring water we can get there. Okay, and it is very good for our health. Okay. Minerals dissolve in water as it moves through underground rocks. This may give the water some taste. This is why spring water is often bottled and sold as mineral water. Okay, real mineral water is this. Okay, and springs that contain large amount of dissolved sodium salt, mostly sodium carbonate, in which mineral water, sodium salt or sodium carbonate is there, that is called soda spring. Okay, students, so these are whatever I given, these are the sources of water. Again, I want to repeat that first, that there are two main sources of water. What you study, surface water. In surface water, there are three types of water: rainwater, river and lake water, and lastly sea and ocean water. And second type of resources, that is underground water, which we get underground, and well water and spring waters are two water resources from underground water. So you can get here, you can see here the water resources. Okay, so in this video till here, students, thank you.